If you visit the Kunyali Marikar Memorial Museum, the first thing you will see is this memorial. We found out that this memorial was built by the Indian Navy, and now we wanted to find out more about this person. Who is Kunyali Marikar? So we found that it's not a name of a person, this is a post. This was a title given to the naval chief of the Samorins of Calicut. The Marikars were the naval chief of the king of Calicut, the Samudri Raja. We had 4 Kunyali Marikars or naval chiefs, and these people helped the Raja in fighting his battles against the Portuguese. Indian Navy says that the Kunyali Marikars occupy a special position in the history of Malabar coast. They symbolize native resistance to foreign rule. Memorial erected by the Indian Navy also says that the Kunyali Marikars' feats of valor over the seas in the 16th century not only stand out as shining episodes in our maritime past, but also continue to inspire the Indian seafarer to this day. These 4 naval chiefs defended the sea routes as if they were a wall of security that the Portuguese could never breach. Later in the museum, we found that the place where we were standing was actually a very protected, well protected, a strategically developed place. This place was actually covered by water from 3 of the sides, that is, a sea and 2 rivers. With these natural advantages, the fort was built inside this protective place. So they invested in the right place where they used nature as their weapon. And from here, it is said that the Marikars could look and also see far and all directions of the sea. They could see when the enemy was coming, they could see when the attack is going to happen. So it was a very strategically planned space. But you know me, I was more interested in the weapons and the martial arts and things, the skills and the technology they used for fighting. The most powerful weapons they had, of course, besides their brains, was the cannons. They used these cannons and the small bullets you can see. These are actually bullets. You know how it is when the foreigners invade. They destroy everything. Not even a single trace is there. The buildings are burned down. The books, the material, everything that was precious to us was all burnt down. But the strength of these weapons you can see. Look at the handle of this sword. Like this is still a very lethal weapon. Besides the weapons, we also saw the Samurian silver coins that were used, crockery, or is it called crockery? Pottery. Okay, pottery, megalithic pottery. We saw all these. Like, just look at the artistry of this thing. It is still in shape. It is still like cracks here and there, but still they are beautiful, right? Look at the talent we had in this country.